What's up, guys? Today, it's Sunday. It's a beautiful day. It's sun shining outside. So I figured it'd be a good day to clean up the T-top car. It's been sitting in the barn for way too long, and it's quite dusty. I got all kinds of detailing products, so I figured why not? Let's clean it up. I'll take you with me. I think I'm gonna put insurance on it and start driving it this week. So it's gotta look good if I'm gonna do that. Yeah, as you can see, it's quite dusty. You can see where my kids have rubbed their hands on the dust. So yeah, needs a pretty good bath. And probably I got this stuff, it's called the last coat. I think I'm gonna try that on it. Because I recently have waxed the car, so. Let's pull it out of here and go find a shady spot out there, which there aren't many of, and wash it up. Wash it and dry it, and then we will put the last coat stuff on it and clean the interior a little bit, and then it's gonna be ready to go. So I've already washed this car. We went on a 300-mile trip this weekend, up north and back. Averaged 26 miles a gallon with it. It was covered in bugs, so I had to clean it up. So yeah, I have a little footage from the drive. Maybe I will post that. God, look at how nice that paint is. All right, let's get the red car out and wash it. All right. I'll let the sun go down a little bit. Got the car over here warming up. I'm gonna wash it. This is the shampoo that I am using. It smells good, does a really good job. So yeah, let's mix it up and get started. All right, so there it is, clean, dry. Wheels are clean. See how much shinier it is. So let it sit here and dry for a little bit, and then we will dress the tires and put the coating on it. God, it looks good when it's clean. All right, got the fleet back inside. Everything's clean. Now it's time to go on to the interior. I got this stuff for glass cleaner, works really well. I got this Jax Wax Total Interior Cleaner because the interior on the T-top car is pretty dirty from sitting all winter. I got this Jax Wax Tire and Trim Gel, which works really, really good. It works good on the tires. It works good on the black plastic trim along the bottom of the car. It even came with this applicator for the tires. And then this is what I'm going to put on the paint. So yeah, I think what I'm going to do is let the car sit overnight because it's still got some wet spots. Let it dry out, and then tomorrow's Monday, tomorrow after work, I will finish cleaning it up. Dress the tires, trim, clean the interior, clean the windows. I kind of want to clean up the engine bay because it's a little bit dusty, yucky. Clean the windows. Yeah. I vacuumed it earlier. As you can see, it's all vacuumed, but it's pretty dusty in here. Windows need to be cleaned. So yeah, I gotta get some leather conditioner too. I have no leather conditioner. And this car needs the seats conditioned, and the wide body needs the leather seats conditioned. So yeah, I'll be back tomorrow to do that stuff. All right, guys, it's now Monday. So I have this last coat stuff that I want to put on the T-top car. You can see it's still clean, it's dry now. So, let's see, what do the directions say? Spray directly onto your microfiber towel, spray onto your surface, take the dry towel and buff in hashtag pattern to a high gloss shine. All right, well, I tried to do this with one hand. We'll do half the hood and see what we end up with here. All right, now I'm going to take the dry side and buff it off. All right. Don't yell at me. Hopefully this won't scratch my paint. Wants to slide on that side. Let's do on the untreated side. Sits there. Huh. So the stuff must actually work somewhat decent. There's where it's treated. There's where it's not. Treated. Not. Well, let's do the rest of the car, and then I will dress the tires and clean the inside up and be done with it. I put insurance on this car today, so I think I'm going to start driving it. It's supposed to be pretty nice tomorrow, 87, so I can drive it to work and have the T-tops out. So I'll come back to you after I get the rest of this stuff put on there. All right, so car's coated. Looks a little shinier in person. Water should repel right off of it. So now I'm going to go with my tire and trim gel Going to dress the tires and all the trim along the base of the car. Then it will be time to clean the windows and clean the interior a little bit, and then it's ready to go. So, let me get this done. All right, guys, so that's that. Wheels are clean, tires are dressed, trim is cleaned up, dressed, interior's vacuumed, the panels were all wiped down, windows were cleaned, T-tops were cleaned. I still have to get some leather conditioner for the seats. But yeah, turned out really good. It's ready to go now. It's the unfun part of this car. It might just be a little bit too clean, and I get nervous about making it dirty. You can see the paint's nice and shiny. It's nice and slippery to the touch. I gotta do a little more work on the engine bay. But I did wipe it down. But it could use a little bit more cleaning. And I gotta clean all my crap out of the trunk and vacuum the trunk. But I think it looks pretty good. I got a new select cable for it too from Roddy Dickman that I gotta put on. Mine's getting a little tight. But that's another project for another video. But yeah, that's the video of me cleaning the T-top Turbo 88. I'm gonna start driving it now. So yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, feel free to subscribe. And yeah, I will see you guys on the next one.